Everybody has capacity to think about the way things aren't and think how they might be. So I wonder why that we don't try a few new things around. What good is labor when your neighbor is still going to drown? It's okay to say no to the things you don't like. Simply put them down and walk away. The only time to do what you want is never tomorrow and only today. Drum fill. It isn't your fault that we're in this mess, and nobody said that it was. But avoiding the things that make you feel the best is like beating the bat with the vase. It's okay to say no to the things you don't like. Simply put them down and walk away. The only time to get what you want is never tomorrow and only today. Just take a breath, it's one step away to say no thank you.